Who's grumpy? Who don't want to go down for their nabber? Who's not going down for their nabber night? Who's a grumpy boy? Be bye. Oh, you kind of grumpy? Are you grumpy? You're kind of grumpy, and you got the hiccups. Are you grumpy? Who's grumpy? Who's a grumpy boy? Are you grumpy? Got the hiccups. That's great. I lay down to Merlin now. Merlin knows how to take a nabber. Uh-oh, he's going to pout.